Hey folks, ET here coming at you with a pre-market prep for Monday on a Sunday, and we are starting with our whale targets right here and our customer sentiment. Taking a quick look, customers are still somewhat in this buy the dip mode, but we've really been quite neutral since we've waned down a little bit, thus kind of trapping us in a bit of a tight range in my opinion. So we're not seeing much, but we do have a lower whale target of 500 and an upper of 530 at the moment. Futes are down just a little bit right now, but I am not concerned about those because we're not trading futes right now. We're just talking about what SPY might look like tomorrow. So now let's jump into our dark pool dashboard. 537.7 sig print there. Make sure to mark that on your chart as an important point of price contention. Do not worry about the bull or bear. Just mark it on your chart. Moving on to all of our levels right here, 538.92. Remember, we were up here around this 560 range for quite a while with our largest ag, but 538 is currently our largest on the ag for our dark pool levels. Make sure to mark them all on your charts. Starting to beef up a little bit here with all these dark pools that were previously quite thin. We'll see how they pan out over the next few sessions. Jumping into our gamma, well, we still have a huge wall at 529 on our aggregate and a pull down to 525. So simply put, over 529 on the ag, definitely room to 533, break 535, and it's off to the races for the moment. If we cannot break these levels here, what we don't want is to chop around here and here. If we can't get above 527 or we open below tomorrow, we do have room down to 518. And then we'll go ahead and check tomorrow's expiry and see what that looks like for us as well. I think it was a little bit messy when I checked it the other day. Still is a little bit. So we've got this 524 wall for tomorrow. So if we dip below 524, we've got room down, a little bit of stop at 521, then more stop at 515. If we can stay above 527, then we've got room into this 533, which kind of gets us back into that 529 range and traps us there. And for some reason, we can break 533. We've got plenty of room up to 538. Two biggest pulls on the board, actually three really, are 535, 525, and then down here at 500. So we get a bunch of bearish flow tomorrow, and we can't break above 524 if we're below it for some reason. Could see quite a bit of room down with some small stops along the way. A bit more choppy to the upside, so we really need to open above 533 to get a bit of a range there, or at least go to that 527, 533 right there. Pretty simple looks for tomorrow. Looks like 524 and 529 are going to be very important as we move along. That is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.